4 tips to increase your e-commerce conversion rate by up to 20%. Hi, I'm Anna, Digital Account Manager at Eminence, and today I'm going to share with you 4 tips to increase your conversion rates thanks to e-commerce. So let's get started. Tip 1. Make navigation simple and easy. When people visit your e-commerce site, they want to find what they're looking for quickly. If they can't, they might leave your website and go to another store that can offer them a better navigation experience and also meet their needs quicker. Tip 2. Include an element of trust. Now, did you know that 89% of visitors check online reviews before making a purchase? Without a doubt, your reputation and online presence impact your conversion rate. And that is why you should include testimonials and ratings on your site to increase your clients' trust. Tip 3. Create abandoned cart email campaigns. Now, if someone abandons their cart, it means that they are interested in your product, but they are hesitant if they should buy it or not. So, to give users the push that they need to finalize their purchase, why not send them an email to remind them about the products in their cart? And you can even include, for example, a discount or an offer to really stimulate that purchase. Tip 4. Tracking how people interact with your site. Finally, you need to understand how your customers interact with your site in order to optimize your conversion rate. There are some great analysis tools for this, such as Crazy Egg or Google Tag Manager, for example, which can help you see what your users are currently clicking on and if they skip over an offer or if they stop filling out a form in the middle. And you can also try out heat maps, for example, on your website. And this will be able to allow you to see what elements stand out and what draws their eye in. So there you go. These tips will help you to upgrade your e-commerce business and streamline more online sales. I really hope you found this useful, and of course, if you have any questions, please let us know in the comments below.